Event was great. Got many things to learn new here, how the IT industry work and everything, their culture. Like as we have started our career from today.
I should thank this Kodnest for giving this wonderful opportunity to interact with the clients and the alumni who had placed from this Kodnest.
The lecturers or the trainers are also very supportive, and the talking with the clients also helped me a lot.
We learned in the today's session how to conquer next interview, how to attend, how to prepare, and what are we are going for next few months in our Kodnest life.
And we are lucky to have Puneet Sir as our trainer. And the first day of the demo only, I was impressed by the teaching style of Puneet Sir.
I felt like today is the best day for me. If it's gonna be very much enthusiastic learning here. I am experiencing and also enjoying with the learning.
बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके और एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था ऐसे बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन से मुलाकात हुआ अच्छा लगा एक्सपीरियंस इनसाइट मिला कुछ इंडस्ट्री के बारे में तो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा और ओवरऑल अच्छा लगा बहुत एंजॉय किया बहुत थैंक यू